Yo, what's up with y'all, boys and girls, bro? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So we're gonna try and do this HackerRank React challenge. You need to create a simple React application called contact form that collects user information and displays it below the form upon submission. This task will help you practice handling form inputs, validation, and conditional rendering in React. Detail requirements. Form structure. The form should have the following fields: name, email, text input for the user's name, user's email, text area for the user's message. There should be a submit button to submit the form. Okay. Preview tests. Form validate that none of the fields are empty upon submission. If any field is empty, display an error message. All fields are required. The form should not be submitted. Displaying submitted data. If the form is successfully submitted, displaying the entered information below the form, clear the input fields after successful submission. Okay, so is a person displays ensures the form is displayed if input fields not submitted, information or error messages are shown. Okay, it is displayed below. All fields are required. An error message. So I have a name. So I think if not name or not email or not email or not message set error, all fields are required, and then we're gonna return, I think, use the set submit data function. So we're gonna set submit data name, email, and message. Is this it? Okay, it says all fields are required. Okay, let's do some. Please add an at. Okay, let's try. Let's try to run the tests. Displays error message when fields are empty and submit is clicked. Clears, oops. Set name, set email, set message. Okay, displays error message when fields are empty. I thought I did this. Expected value to be using triple equals all fields if received, all fields are required. Why? Required. Display submitted data. Display submitted. Fields are empty. Submit. The submit button. If you leave some empty, you click submit button, no information is displayed. Displayed error message. I need to return? I don't know. Okay, what am I doing wrong, bro? Is there a solution? I don't know what's wrong. This case has failed. Spade is 69. You have to name. Okay, I don't know what is wrong here. Can't copy this. It has been disabled. Dang. Okay, so what is wrong? It's not typical for jest. Oh shoot, I'm missing one. I'm missing one dot. Okay, okay. Yeah, I don't know if I would have noticed that by myself, to be honest. I mean, it's such a little thing. Blog posts. There's a create an application called Blog Post that allows you to create, display, and delete blog posts. The application requirements are detailed below, and the finished application must pass all of the unit tests. The blog post component should have two input fields. Okay, post display. What else do we got? Suggest blog post component should have two input fields. One for the post title and another for the post description. Yeah, it does. The application displays a create button that, when clicked, adds a new blog post to the list existing posts. So, okay. Um, once a post, okay, wait. We got input. Okay, we got this. Once a post is successfully created, both the title and description fields should be cleared. Okay, so we're gonna do a function handle create posts. Handle create posts. Um, So we're gonna have a const of title and set title. View state, and we're gonna import use state from React. And then we're gonna have a const description and set description. Then we're gonna pass this down to, so title is going to equal to title, and then description is gonna be equal to description, like this. Blog post component have two input fields, one for the post and one for post description. So blog post a list of existing posts. So from what I'm seeing, we don't have. So we're gonna have to make posts and set posts state. One time description, I create the list of created blog posts will be displayed on a grid layout. Each post appears inside a box. If I click this, the post title, delete button to remove a specific post from the list. The title description fields are empty. No blog posts are displayed. Okay, so okay, what the heck? How do I title description? So what is this? Is this okay? This is the entire thing. Justify. Okay. Set title. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, But how would this happen how do I even do this? Even if I pass set title and set description, I don't know. Set title, set description. change set title e dot target dot value on change set this description e dot target dot value. I'm gonna spell something. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I actually don't know how to because this is here, the create post button is here, and the input is a different component, so I don't know how to do the thing. We pass these things. If title and description cons the log title console the log description. I don't even on click and no create post. Let's see what we get though. Let's see what we get. Okay, where's the console? Nothing happens. Else console.log. Hello. Okay, so hmm. Title, description. Yeah, I don't know. Um, all right, y'all. So I'm gonna. Okay, wait. Let's make space text. So we need to set the title to title and this value to description. Okay, and now let's try my blog and some whatever. Oh no, not run tests. Not run tests, bro. Okay, now it works. I'm gonna say const new blog. Also gonna have a const ID and set ID, which initially is gonna be 0. Initially is gonna be 0. Const new blog equals, so the ID is ID. The title is title, and the description is description. And then we're gonna say set ID plus 2i, going to be I plus 1. There we go, something like that. 17. Okay, so the delete button is gonna have a handle delete function, which we're gonna pass in here. Delete. also have, so we're gonna have this, and we're gonna also have the blogs. So on this, so here we're gonna blogs. Actually, the handle delete we don't need here. We can just make it in here. I'm gonna do blogs.map blog return a div, return this. So like this. Then this is gonna be blog.title. This is gonna be blog.description. This is gonna be handle delete blog.id. We're gonna have a key blog.id. And then I passed it to the wrong thing. Home component. $42. It's called posts. So it's gonna be blogs, set blogs, set blogs, set blogs. Const blogs copy equals blogs. Const new blogs equals an empty array. For let I get 0, I less than blogs copy I plus if blogs copy of I id equals blog id. We're gonna continue, else new blogs dot push blogs copy of I, and then set blogs new blogs. Okay, so my first blog, I love coding or something. Okay, what is happening? I get no error. So okay, I don't know what's going on. The blog is not being displayed after clicking create. We'll close again. You add the new blog. Ooh, really? The what? Oh yeah. Set. Okay, so const blogs copy equals blogs copy out push new blog and then set blogs copy. I just type some gibberish. Can we delete it? Okay, let's see if it passes. Delete button should delete respective logos. Blog you should title inscription fields after should clear. Okay. Set title, set description. Hmm. Whoopsies. Blocks copy the length. Okay, I think everything passes now. Let's submit. Okay. Okay, guys. Ooh. Okay, there was some trial and error there, but we did it. We did it. Okay, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on links in the description. Have a nice Tuesday, y'all. Have a nice week. Peace.